Hi everyone. With its guard models, Mercedes-Benz offers the world's widest X-Factory range of special protection vehicles. The range comprising E-Guard, S-Guard and G-Guard features tailor-made protection to European standards. A high level of protection is provided by armor made from state-of-the-art materials such as glass/plastic composites and high-strength special steel in combination with plastic elements. All protective elements are incorporated at the bodyshell stage during a separate and independent production process. The E-Guard is available in 3 engine variants, with an option of the basic ELEGANCE line or the AVANTGARDE line. The E500 and E350, as well as the diesel-powered E350 CDI BlueEFFICIENCY, are designed as 5-seaters with a boot capacity of 540 liters and a high payload of up to 550 kilograms, which means they are fully suitable for day-to-day and family use. The Mercedes-Benz E-Guard models are available in 3 engine variants. The 6-cylinder diesel unit in the E350 CDI BlueEFFICIENCY Guard develops 195 kilowatts, 265 horsepower, and 620 Nm of torque. The V6 petrol engine in the E350 Guard has an output of 200 kilowatts, 272 horsepower. The most powerful variant is the 5.5-liter V8 in the E500 Guard, which develops 285 kilowatts, 388 horsepower. Because of the run-flat tires which are standard for all E-Guard models, their top speed is limited to 240 km per hour. The suspension and brakes are adapted to suit the increased weight caused by the protection features. The E-Guard is equipped with a special Level 2 version of the aromatic air suspension system as standard. The electronic control and restraint systems that assist the driver in critical situations have been specifically adapted to suit the different parameters versus the standard model. The car is fitted with 17-inch wheels and run-flat tires designed for a maximum speed of 240 km per hour as standard. With the tires deflated, the vehicle is still able to cover up to 80 km at a speed of 80 km per hour to enable its occupants to escape from the danger area in the event of a corresponding attack. Thanks for watching.